Hello and welcome to the Southeast Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Thursday, February 3rd, as presented by National Weather Service Pocatello. This is what you'll see in this briefing. We have high pressure dominating the western states with its center to the west. That puts us in northerly airflow. So expect colder than normal temperatures to continue. For the most part, storm track does come from interior Canada, so that means there's very little available moisture, and so any snowfall from any storms coming from that direction should be very light. And the primary hazard during this time will probably be freezing fog along with the valley stratus. The next week low, there's one wrapping up this morning. The next week low will arrive Friday afternoon, continue through Friday night and into Saturday morning. This will mostly bring light snow to the central Idaho mountains and the eastern highlands, and otherwise there's really just no significant wind, and we'll look at the evolution of that snowfall. Alright, so here's the weather satellite image from this morning. Just before these high clouds moved in, you could see widespread stratus and fog is represented by the bluish clouds. You can see that does get sort of pushed into southeast Idaho as well. And so this is at freezing fog this morning. In fact, there's a freezing fog advisory out for the Snake River Plain. There's also probably more freezing fog tomorrow in the Snake Plain and in the eastern highlands. For this morning, it is mostly limited to the Pocatello locale, as far north as Burley, and as far west as American Falls. Tomorrow, though, I would say all the Snake River Plain is under a threat. Same with the eastern highlands. And then after a break from the snow, it will start again in the afternoon. Again, it's just a slight chance, and it would be, once again, pretty cold, so fluffy, light snow, but still not accumulating too much. It continues into Saturday in the southeast highlands, and then for the eastern highlands, it continues all day and into Saturday evening. All right, so here's the first day. Again, most of this is done here in the central Idaho mountains. So we just got this stuff down here, a little bit here in the northeast corner. And here's where it is. None of this accumulates to more than to a half inch or more. It all stays below half an inch because, see, most of these readings are all, even if there's light snow forecasted, it's all zero. The one place where it gets to an inch or so is in the mountains here. This one lone location where it gets to an inch. So I'd imagine a lot of this might be half an inch to an inch, but it's mostly staying in the mountains. Here you can see this is a little bit warmer than it was yesterday, 2 to 6 degrees. But a lot of places staying in the teens today. Overnight lows, once again, some areas, especially the Arco Desert, dropping below zero. Even Stanley Basin, -2. Soda Springs, Montpelier, also getting below zero. Then here's Friday. Friday, the snow starts up again from the next low coming in. Central Idaho mountains for the most part, and the eastern highlands, and maybe getting into the Snake River Plain. And here's where it is. And again, you can see in the morning all of this less than half an inch. Look at all of these still reading zero, so the snowfall reading is closer to zero than it is 1 inch. And then here's in the afternoon, evening hours now. You can see it does sort of spread into the upper Snake River Plain, but it does sort of stay out of the Pocatello area. And again, there's some stuff up here. It's all, though, with all these readings reading zero to the nearest inch, that means it's all half an inch. And then continue half an inch into the late night, morning hours, with it getting a little bit stronger up here in the Island Park area and over into West Yellowstone. Okay, Friday's highs, a little bit warmer. And then Friday night lows with the cloud cover staying considerably warmer. We've lost all the below zero temperatures for the most part. And then for Saturday, what's left over is just mostly in the morning. And again, it's the eastern highland areas. And this would be like early morning hours. And there we have it again, nothing but half-inch or less accumulations. And again, that continues for some locations into the afternoon. And you can see it does start to get warmer, especially in the western half as we start to get some sunshine there. But a lot of that's still below zero. And overnight lows, not quite as cold Saturday night compared to especially tonight. And this is the total accumulated snow, so you can see the 2 to 3 inches is pretty limited in area and in scope to just this lone area here west of US 20. Elsewhere, it gets to about an inch in Rexburg. Anything, though, west and south of Rexburg, you're looking at really nothing that gets to half an inch, especially in populated areas. There's just a few lone locations where it gets to an inch here in the south central highlands. So once again, if you have any questions, you can contact us at this telephone number. Check out the weather yourself at weather.gov/Pocatello. Thanks for watching.